it's hard being a discretionary trader. Like, it's hard to be younger in trading and have permission to kind of like, I don't want to say make stuff up, but you have the gavel. You are the judge, right? Like, if I say this is a swing high to swing low, can't nobody tell me otherwise. It's my choice. I have that power. And with great power comes great responsibility, right? When you have that power, and you're young and you're looking at a chart and you're like, man, I really want to trade today. That's not usually a swing high to swing low, but today, right? It is, right? Because you're not mentally tough enough. And then you start breaking your rules and stuff like that, but no one can tell you no. You'll just justify it. Fitzy can come on and be like, Akil, is that really a swing high to swing low? Yes, it is. It's one for me. Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me I'm wrong.